Okay, day number 2. We're back to the demo job. As you can see, the house is gone. All we're doing is dismantling the foundation, which consists of all masonry, block and concrete and brick. Right now the excavator is dismantling everything, crushing up as much as possible, and all material will in turn be sent to a recycling facility. And all this block, brick and concrete will be turned into gravel and used as fill or gravel material for backfill. You can see the house is totally gone. The only thing remaining right now is in fact just the foundation, which will be removed shortly. And the excavator operator is careful not to get too much dirt mixed in the load. This way it's just strictly concrete, which is 100% recyclable. Keeping it clean, keeping it green.